Hello friends, welcome back to my video once again. In this video, we are going to learn reversing the strings using the stack. So we all know what is stack. I have mentioned so many videos about it. What is a stack? How can we implement the stack? In my previous videos, you can saw it. And in this video, I'm going to discuss about reversing a stack using reversing strings using a stack. So basically, what is reversing strings? It's a basic operation and it's a fundamental skill in the computer science and programming that which follows the technique of last in first out and first in last out approach. So we are going to implement in this using Python. Okay. So coming to the understanding the stack data structure, it follows in the last in first out principle, and we will use common operations to implement it. It is adding an element on the top and removing an element from the top. So we all know it. So implementing flexibility. The flexibility allows developers to choose the most appropriate implementation for their needs. So it will allow the implementation for their own needs, like reversing the stack and appending and removing, etc., etc. And coming to the implementing this reversing stack, we use push characters and pop characters and reversing string. For example, if we enter hello world, it will reverse in comment is reverse in order. So for that, we are using the push character and the pop character and reversing string. We are defining one function. It is called reversing string. And coming to the time complexity and space complexity, we all know time complexity is represented by order of n, where n is the length of the input string. This is because we need to push each character onto the string and the pop each character of the stack, which takes a constant amount of time per operation. So what is space complexity? Space complexity is also an approach of order of n, as we need to store all the characters of the input string into the stack. If you want to store the characters, we use space complexity. The amount of memory required to store the stack grows linearly with the length of the input string. What is efficiency? The linear time and space complexity of stack-based reverse algorithm make it efficient and scalable solution. So capable of handling large amount of input strings. So efficiency is needed for like if you enter large amount of string, so the efficiency will be needed to performing degradation. And now coming to the practical applications it uses, we all know it is used for palindrome detection, syntax parsing, and and reader functionality and educational purposes. It's a lot of learnings from for us. So to learn all the error detection and the syntax will be like passing the brackets, spaces, like semicolons, etc., etc. So now we are going to implement the stack, implementing the reverse strings using the stack in Python notebook. Let's start. First of all, defining the reverse string. After defining a reverse string, I am taking an empty stack, which is reverse string equals to. After that, I'm entering the stack for a character in S. Tag dot append. I'm going to append characters. So what will it do? It will append the character onto the stack. So this function will append the character onto the stack. Okay, that's why I'm using this one. After that, I will use pop, that is append to reverse string, while length of stack is equals to 0. So we will reverse the string s equals to stack.pop. It will return reverse string. After doing this, 1 second, I did a mistake here. Okay, now look perfect. I just did a mistake here. So I use a for and while loop to append the character. When I used here length of the stack that is not equals to 0 and reversing the string into stack.pop. Oh, so what will it will do means like it will pop each character from the stack and append to the reverse string. So that's the reason I use this. And next thing I want to enter here like string to reverse. 1 second. String to reverse. For example, I'm taking here hello world. So reverse string equals to I am going to take here reverse string to string dot reverse. String reverse. String to reverse. So I'm going to take here print reverse string. So basically what it will do means it will print hello world in reverse. So for that took here for loop and while loop. I already mentioned that for loop will push the characters onto the stack and while loop will pop the each characters from the stack and append it to the reverse string. Okay. So if I run the code, it will print hello world in reverse. Let's try it. If I run the code, so I changed the code here. So we can clearly see that hello world is printed as in reverse order. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.